So today we are going to talk about a Korean product which is my favorite, and it is authentic Korean product. The name of the company is Atomy. This is a evening care kit which will give you a radiance you have never imagined. So let's talk about it in detail. Talking about the first step, which is the deep cleanser. It cleanses your impurities, the makeup which is on the outer layer. This is a oil based cleanser, so it is very easy to emulsify, but you do not have to use any water or any kind of liquid with this. You can use it directly on the face after wiping. Cleanser we have to use for 2 to 3 minutes all over your neck, face and ear. Next is foam cleanser, your step 2. This is a water based cleanser. Korean glass treatment है, so obviously we need to have two cleansers, which is very viral. अब ये क्या करेगा? It will go very deep inside your pores. It will remove all the dirt or the impurities or the makeup which has clogged your pores, and it will clean it like anything. It will also remove all the sebum which is produced by your sebaceous gland. So all in all, you will have a very good and bright skin. This has rice extract, so obviously it will give you glow as well. Foam cleanser we have to use for 5 to 6 minutes for dry skin and normal skin, and for oily skin you can use it for a little lesser time. The best part about this kit, this is herbal, so anything which is in the form of natural, it is being extracted and concentrated and technologically improved for years and years in a research center. So next step which we are going to talk about is the peeling gel. Peeling gel, it has a very good content which is your citrus grandis, means it is almost like vitamin C, the lemon form. But when you apply lemon, it will burn your face or your skin, but this will actually help you to do a cleansing as well as sebum control. So last part of this kit, a mini facial, is the mask. This is my very favorite because it has, when you apply this mask, it gives you a cooling and calming feeling, and it is white in color, like just like Fevicol, to be very frank. And then you have to apply it for 2 to 3 minutes or till the time it gets dried up. In summers, I think it will take little longer. In winters, it will be in a shorter 10 to 15 minutes as well. So then once it's dried, you have to remove it from down to up so that you'll have a better glow. After this, you can apply the toner from Atomy and then moisturizer or any lotion according to your skin type, and finish it with a sunscreen. So you can take a full Korean glass treatment at Aura Aesthetic, and once you have that effect as a glass skin, you can maintain with this mini kit. This will come to you like 20 to 25 times even at home, and this is a very good kit to maintain your skin like that. So hope this video helps you. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe, like and share.